Nowadays, more than ever, we need people who run businesses not from their ego, but from who they truly are. And the majority of people who wants to start a business or who are already running a business, they have no idea that they are running a business from something that is completely misaligned from themselves, which cause them to make money but feel completely empty and unfulfilled, to actually not doing so good in this world and for others. Because in the past 7 days, I was on holiday visiting my sister, and I realized something truly important. And more than a realization was actually a confirmation of what this channel is about, a confirmation of what I truly believe, and a confirmation of my past experiences that I had in the past years. This channel is all about healing first and creating something that is true to you and aligned to you, that benefit others and the world, impact positively the world. And what I see around, from people that I know, from things that I hear, people still want to start a business like a machine. I'm gonna make such a huge money and that's it. Business is business. There is no heart involved. Who cares about the heart? I need to make money, that's it. And that's the problem. People think that their heart, who they truly are, and their business has nothing to do. When in reality, who you truly are, your soul and your heart, is actually what your business is going to be about. But they have no idea. They are so disconnected with themselves that they think that their heart is something impossible, that they cannot make money with their heart. Right? The business is not in the heart, it's just whatever it is. That's the problem. That's the problem. That's why we see out there things that are not right. Because people don't create something from their soul. They don't create something from their healed self. They don't create something from something that you can impact others. They just make something for the sake of money. You see, that way of thinking, it doesn't come from you. That way of thinking is just your ego. Okay? And what ends up happening when you start something from your ego is multiple things. One, you may make a lot of money, but you may lose the money and you have no idea or how to remake the money. You can make money and have the money and have all the money that you ever wanted, but you will always feel that something is missing within you. You will always feel empty, not 100% unfulfilled and satisfied. You will feel that something is missing. Why? Because they don't understand that starting a business solely for the purpose of money is not the answer. And when you want to start a business and you want to become an entrepreneur, the first thing that you got to do is inner work. You got to change from within. And people have no idea on what I'm talking about. And what ends up happening, they start building a business that actually doesn't even impact someone positively, because they are the only thing in their mind, it's money. So they started businesses very enthusiastic, very exciting. Maybe they started with passion. Maybe they started with thinking they're doing something good, but it's just the start. Give it 6 months, give it a year maximum. When the business will start going and they will start to see the results, what ends up happening is they will start getting down, 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 down. They may lose quality. They may lose the true purpose on when they started the business. They lose everything because the only thing that are thinking and chasing is money. But my question is, for how long these things can go on? Because that moment will arrive when you will think, for fuck's sake, money wasn't the answer. In fact, money is not the answer. That's what I thought years ago. And what ended up happening to me? Burnout, exhausted, frustrating, chasing something that it wasn't coming from me but from my ego, feeling empty anyway. Nothing was going right anyway. Why? Why? Because your soul doesn't want just make money. Your soul wants to impact others. Money is just a result of what you put out there. And there are so many entrepreneurs that make money doing bad thing, right? But that's not what this channel is about. And now more than ever, we need people who start their businesses from their healed self to impact the world positively, to help others heal, grow, expand. Not the opposite. But these people, that they have no idea that before becoming an entrepreneur and feeling fulfilled, satisfied, and whatever, okay, they need to heal themselves first. They need to undergo through an inner transformation. They need to lose their old identity. They need to remember who they are. They need to reconnect with their art, because right now they are so disconnected with themselves. It takes courage. It takes gut. It takes to take risks, even when you cannot see things with your eyes. In fact, it's not for everybody, because not everybody is willing to do that. So they will work so hard for something until they're going to hit the wall and they will understand that that was not the answer. Or, yes, you can still running businesses and making money, but how would you feel within yourself? Why I'm making this video? Because we need to wake up. We need to reconnect with ourselves, and we need to let go of this belief that you cannot follow your heart if you want to make money. We need to let go of this bullshit that your dreams cannot make money. We need to let go of this idea that your passion, your enthusiasm, whatever it is, cannot make money. Because actually, your passion, your dreams, your ideas, your heart, all these things, it's how your soul is directing you to the right path. And no matter what people think, they may think that I'm crazy. They don't think that I'm stupid. I don't care. Because these people are the people who will live the most exhausted, frustrated, unfulfilled, and disconnected. So the message that I want to give with this video is that whoever is in your life telling you to leave your heart apart because you cannot make the money, you cannot follow your dreams, you need to leave these people behind. And I don't care who these people are. I'm not saying abandon these people. I'm saying don't listen to these people, because it is not true. And today, more than ever, if you look out there, there are so many people that are living from their dreams. They are living from their passion. They are living from their heart. They are living from their healed self. Those are the people needed the most from 2026 onward, based on how the wellness market and economy is shifting. The era of authenticity, the era of wanting to heal from within, the era of understanding finally that we want to live better and longer. We want to live healthier. But people are so focused on the opposite, they are missing the point. They are missing the picture. They are missing the biggest vision right now. But if you look closely and you pay attention, the world is heading in that way. And you can see it in how real estate is completely changing. Real estate is changing completely. The way they build houses, the way what they built, where they built, and how they built, completely changed. Why? Because the market changed, because you changed. The demand is different. Shops are changing, sporting centers are changing, gyms are changing. Who it doesn't adjust to these changes is gonna stay behind. It's time to wake up. It's time to stop with this ignorance. Stop following these society beliefs, family beliefs, whatever you inherited these beliefs, and start reconnecting with yourself, with your heart. Heal if you have to heal. Do whatever you have to do, but build something that comes from within you, from your heart, not from your ego, not from the thing that you think is the only thing that you can do. And so you build something. Wake up. Wake up. Understand and remember who you are. Then, for fuck's sake, build something that is aligned with who you truly are, because it's the only way to live fulfilled with joy and happiness. And money is just the consequences. Because when you are aligned in the right frequency, money is just the consequences. It might not be the day after. Sure. Live with purpose. Give meaning to your life. Don't just live in autopilot. Don't just live for the sake of living. Don't just make money for the sake of making money. You gotta feel good inside yourself when you go to sleep and you put your head in your pillow. You need to feel good within yourself. Do something meaningful. Do something that impacts others positively. Give meaning to your life. And it's never too late. Reconnect with yourself, because you are the business. That's it.